We bring the speed and quality to deliver the test in a pandemic. Hi, my name is Sidney. I run the Diagnostics Development Hub, or DXD Hub. DXD Hub is a Singapore national platform for diagnostics development. We are ready to take literally any R&D output and turn them into a diagnostics product. And so we are able to transfer the product together with the manufacturing work instructions to the company. I want to talk about this very exciting project that we recently deployed. It's called CPass. It's a collaboration between DXD Hub, DoNUS, and GenScript. It's actually invented by Prof. Wong Lin Fa of DoNUS. CPass is a serological product. Although serological, it is the only one in the world that detects neutralizing antibodies, not like any of the other serological tests. Neutralizing antibodies is an important one for us to detect versus just pure antibodies, because neutralizing antibodies is the antibodies that blocks the interaction between the virus and the receptor on the human cell. For a virus to do damage on the human body, it needs to enter the cell. And the entry to the cells is through the interaction with this receptor. To be able to detect these neutralizing antibodies in the patient, actually it gives us a lot more information on the recovery process of the patient. So one of the lessons that we learned is that the success of a diagnostics product is highly dependent on how well we work with our partners. We need to learn what is the user's feedback, and then we come back and work with the developers and improve the products. We need to think of diagnostics product as a system solution. Therefore, we need to continuously collaborate with our partners so that we can create iteration of diagnostics product.